in front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. Following that, set up an hour, and when you're ready, choose repeat. Now select days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones and save them by tapping on OK. After that, select label your alarm however you wish to, tap on OK, click on ring duration and pick how many minutes your alarm will ring. Then snooze duration. Over here you can select how many minutes your snooze will take by swiping left or right and how many times it will repeat. When you're ready, choose OK and click on sound. Then select allow and tap on vibration. Over here you need to select one of those vibration patterns or turn off vibrations completely by tapping on none. Then go back, choose one of those melodies, and when you're ready, you can go back. But you can also choose sound, tap on music or device. On device, pick songs or your smartphone. I will go with Dream It Possible and go back as well. When you're ready, click at the top right corner to save your alarm, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. You can also hold it, select delete over here after tapping on it, and get rid of it by tapping on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!